Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. Now, on your screen, it reads, and I quote, "Listen to understand, and not only to respond." End quote. The great writer Mark Twain once said, "Before you engage in an argument, pause and ask yourself, is this person even capable of seeing beyond their own perspective? Because if they aren't, no amount of reasoning will make a difference." You see, my friends, some people don't listen to understand. What they do, they listen to respond. And when someone is committed to misunderstanding you, no explanation will ever be enough. So not every battle is worth fighting. A meaningful conversation happens when both sides are willing to listen, reflect, and grow. So even if you don't agree, a discussion with an open-minded person can be insightful, even transformative. But when you're dealing with someone who refuses to consider another viewpoint, the conversation becomes a dead end. So no matter how much truth or logic you may offer, they will twist your words, dismiss your perspective, or deflect to avoid real understanding. Not because you're wrong, but more so because they refuse to see beyond themselves. Wisdom, my friends, isn't about proving a point. It's about knowing when to protect your peace. Some arguments aren't about truth, they're about ego. Some people don't seek understanding, they seek validation of their own beliefs. And in those moments, my friends, the strongest thing you can do is to just step back. Walking away isn't a sign of weakness, it's a sign of self-respect. It means you have value. You value your energy way too much to waste it on someone who has already made their mind up. So you don't have to explain yourself to those who are unwilling to listen. You don't need to exhaust yourself trying to be understood by someone who isn't ready. So let them think what they want. Let them believe they have won. Your peace is worth more than their opinion. So in closing, my friends, at the end of the day, ask yourself, is this conversation leading to understanding, or is it just draining my energy? Because the moment a discussion stops being constructive, it's no longer a discussion. What it has become is a pointless debate, and knowing when to walk away, my friends, that's true wisdom. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.